Let's go. We playing World Cup Happy Meal in McDonald's. Yes. We will pick a monkey. Yeah. Because that's my favorite monkey. Ako na. That. Yeah, the monkey. And I got the pineapple one, the cat one, and the red dinosaur one. Yeah.
Bakit na, Charles?
Ready to fight.
Sarap. Ayan.
Oh, it's a arbor. Oh, I'm playing again. Aray. Ow. Play again. No way. Goat. Goat. Keep playing. Yeah, keep playing. Right. Next players. Oh, the goat. Albert. Again. Albert. Go. Albert. Fast, very fast. Big egg again. My favorite song. Baby shark. 1, 2, 3. Shoo! One, two, fight! Hey, yo!
Ano, kumain ka na dyan. Bilisan mo na at nang mahiga ka. Lalagyan ka na naman. What's that?
That's the Happy Meal.
Na?
The World Cup Happy Meal. The World Cup Happy Meal. This one. I'm playing that. Na ano to? Nabunggo nila.
Alam ka kay daddy mo?
Go! Play again. Keep playing. Round 2. Oh, the cat! I get a cat. Kalaban ko yung cat. Andito yung cat, oh. Let's fight. Again!
Ayan, baliw.
Go! Oh. Go! Go! Keep playing. Round 2. Fight.
Ready.
Play. I just go here. Get.
Dalawa. Ate Mabi ka.
Wala ating so cute. Aray. That's okay. Play game. Round 2. Play again. Fight. Wait, guys. Okay, I'm done. The goal, but it's hard. Arik. Stop.